the respondent state. लिखे this court fixed the matter on 8/12/2022 for explanation and appearance of concerned Ayub. Counsel for the respondent submits that the matter was not listed on 8/12/2022 and therefore another date may be given. On the said date, concerned Ayub shall remain present in person. List the matter on 17th. That
next Monday 19th.
19th.
As per WhatsApp please.
तो आपका जस्टिफिकेशन तो आ गया, केवल प्रेजेंस बाकी है, तो 16 का 16 या
15th कर देते हैं मिस्टर चौधरी. Inform him.
Yes.
Let's
Yeah,
go
great.
15th.
Obliged.
Yes. कोई नहीं लिख दीजिए. नन फॉर दी पार्टी. क्या स्टेट? यस मिस्टर शर्मा, है क्या मीडिएशन की पॉसिबिलिटी है क्या इसमें?
No, this matter is with respect to the election of the president and vice president of the Janpad Panchayat Uchchain Lordship scheduled on 27/7/2020.
इसमें क्या ये तो इंफ्रक्चुअस हो गई होगी. टर्म वगैरह सब खत्म हो गया. लिखिए नन फॉर द पिटिशनर श्री शर्मा, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट स्टेट. It is stated that the matter relates to election of the president and vice president of Janpad Panchayat. Full stop. The present petition was filed in year 2006. Considering the aforesaid aforesaid full stop. ऐसा considering की जगह no one is present on behalf of the petitioner. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to prosecute the present petition. The same is dismissed for want of prosecution. ऐसा कर. इसमें है क्या कुछ possibility?
The matter is with respect to the
123 कोई mediation की?
No,
Not possible.
not possible.
Sri
Abdul Rahim Khan. Rahim Khan.
Sri Rahim Khan for the petitioner. Sri Sharma GA for the state party submit that matter cannot be settled in mediation. Case is adjourned. Yes.
May I request a 1 week time to take instruction in this matter?
To take instructions.
Yes, Lord.
Sri
Manoj Kumar Sahni.
Sri Manoj Kumar Sahni for the petitioner. Sri Sharma, government advocate for the respondent state. Counsel for the petitioner pays for and is granted 2 weeks time to seek instructions in the matter. None for the parties. Case is adjourned. Yes. You are for respondent. Can't be settled in mediation. लिखिए none for the petitioner Sri Sharma, GA for the state Sri Mukesh Parwal. Mukesh Parwal. Sri Abhishek
On behalf of Mr. Madhusudhan Dwivedi.
for petitioner है. You don't know you are appearing for whom?
Electricity company responded in cases. Electricity company responded in cases. Sorry, my lord. I am extremely sorry. 126 में I am appearing for petitioner. It is a DE matter, my lord.
Yes.
It cannot be settled.
लिखिए श्री क्या नाम है आपका?
अभिषेक बाजपेयी.
Sri Abhishek Bajpayee for the petitioner Sri Sharma, government advocate for the respondent state. We cannot be settled in mediation. List case is adjourned. Yes, Mr. Sharma, है क्या हो सकता है? 127.
File name.
None for the petitioner Sri Sharma, CA for the state. Case is actual.
This matter is with respect to the difference of the amount of salary, Lordship. He is seeking that while he was working on the post of peon, he also worked as a वाहन चालक का कार्य किया है, तो उसमें जो वेतन का राशि है उसका, तो ये भी इंस्पेक्शन ही है.
None for the petitioner Sri Sharma.
And I think he retired also, Lordship. At that time he was aged 51 years of age.
क्या difference of salary वगैरह
हाँ,
claim करा?
difference of salary.
Sri Sharma GA for the state. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the present petition was filed in year 2009 seeking direction for payment of difference of salary. Full stop. It appears that full stop. No one has appeared for the petitioner. It seems that petitioner is not interested to prosecute the present petition. Case is dismissed for want of prosecution. Yes.
It has to be decided on the merits only.
Okay, MS Seema Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner Sri Sharma for GA for the state. It is submitted that matter cannot be settled in mediation. Case is adjourned.
I have to continue.
Interim order to continue. Yes. देखा है क्या मिस्टर शर्मा? 130.
130 the औद्योगिक विकास निगम से party, Lordship. In this case, the contesting party is respondent number 2.
देखिए, none for the petitioner Sri Sharma, GA for the government, for the respondent is state, none for the other respondents. Case is adjourned. Yes. Yes, Madam Patwardhan.
Your Lordship, we have gone to the respondent 2 to 4. This matter is regarding punishment imposed to the petitioner and his increment was deducted.
That can't be settled in mediation. None for the petitioner MS Kirti Patwardhan for the respondent
2 to 4.
2 to 4.
My Lord, I am appearing in connected matter.
Yes.
It is pertaining to higher pay scale.
लिखिए, it is submitted that matter cannot be settled in mediation. Case is adjourned. 131.1 में कोई none for the petitioner Sri Sharma GA for the state, Sri Abhishek Bajpayee for the respondents 2 to 4. Same. Case cannot be settled. Yes. None for the parties. Case is adjourned. Yes. None for the parties. Case is adjourned.
This matter is with respect to the suspension. Suspension order has been challenged on 27/2/1993, Lordship.
So nothing remains. लिखिए, none for the petitioner Sri Sharma, GA for the state. Counsel for the respondent submits that in the present petition a challenge has been made to the order of suspension and the petition was filed in year 2009. Full stop. No one is present on behalf of the petitioner. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to prosecute the petition. The petition is dismissed for want of prosecution. Yes. Not possible. Sri Chetan Jain for the petitioner Sri Sharma GA for the state parties with that matter cannot be settled. Case is adjourned. What about 136? Same order, 136. Yes.
The matter is
Sharma is not.
with respect to the petitioner representation may be directed to be decided only submission.
यही रिलीफ है.
Sir, IA has been filed for amendment. Krishnakant.
There is no IA. जितनी रिलीफ है उतना ग्रांट कर देते हैं. श्री आपका नाम
आशुतोष मंडल.
श्री आशुतोष मंडलोई, हेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर. श्री Sharma GA for the state. The present petition has been filed seeking a direction to the respondents to consider his promotion, his representation for promotion.
Sir,
Representation for
Promotion, Lordship.
sir,
promotion.
for promotion and seeking the direction.
Promotion. Full stop. Considering the aforesaid limited relief, the present petition is disposed of with a direction to the competent authority of the respondents to consider and decide the representation of the petitioner in accordance with the law within period of 2 months from the date of communication of the order. With the aforesaid, the writ petition is disposed of. Yes.
Lordship, we have challenged order directing reinstatement.
Hmm?
We have challenged the order of the labor court as well as industrial tribunal directing reinstatement of the
Reinstatement.
without back wages.
तो reinstate कर दिया है.
Your Lordship, under 65(3) he must be working. I'll seek instructions, but because
ठीक
stay है तो वो काम कर ही रहा होगा.
MS Kirti Patwardhan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, none for the respondent. Counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 4 weeks time to seek instructions in the matter. Just after 4 weeks. Yes, Mr. Joshi. नहीं होगा. लिखिए श्री लोकेंद्र जोशी, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Shri Sharma, GA for the state. Counsel for the petitioner submits that matter cannot be settled in mediation. Case is adjourned. Yes, Mr. Rathore. None for the parties. Case is adjourned.
Madam, appearing on behalf of Shri Vinay Gandhi for response.
Number क्या मैटर क्या है?
I am appearing on behalf of Shri Vinay Gandhi. He is not available today.
ठीक है, उसमें हाजिरी डाल दीजिएगा. श्री
Alamgir Khan.
Alamgir Khan on behalf of Shri Vinay Gandhi for the respondent. Case is adjourned. 141. None for the parties. क्या कुछ CPC WP कुछ बचा है? क्या 227 तो है नहीं. लिखिए none for the parties. Case is adjourned. दोनों में सेम ऑर्डर. 141. Yes. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
I think this
क्या promotion?
file is not looking.
Not here. None for the petitioner, Shri Sharma, GA for the state. Case is adjourned.
The matter is with respect to the demotion from the post of company commander to platoon commander, Lordship, and the petition has been challenged. the SAF department, Lordship.
ये तो hearing none for the petitioner Sri Sharma GF for the state case is matter cannot be considering the nature of the case. The same cannot be settled in the mediation. Case is adjourned. Yes,
Electricity board department.
none for the parties. Case is adjourned. Yes,
Agriculture, state agriculture marketing board is the
yes. Okay, none for the parties 145. Case is adjourned.
This is promotion matter and the age of the petitioner was in the year 2009, 52 years, Lordship. He is claiming promotion from the training officer grade 2 to the post of account training superintendent. Retired.
Okay, he has challenged the order of demotion.
No, communication order dated 5/12/2008 and his representation has been rejected wherein he has raised the claim for the promotion from the post of training officer grade 2 to the post of account training superintendent. And the 52 years की एज थी सर 2009 में.
छोड़िए, none for the petitioner Sri Sharma GF for the respondent. Case is adjourned. Yes,
This is a matter pertaining to fixation of pay and recovery after retirement, Lordship.
the
I am-
retirement.
Lordship.
What is the date of the order?
Order date is Lordship 21/7/22.
लिखिए श्री
Shashank
SK
Shashank Patwari.
Shri Shashank Patwari for the petitioner MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondent state. In the instant petition, a challenge has been made to the order of the fixation of pay and recovery after the retirement. Issue notice to the respondents on payment of PF within 7 working days by both modes, returnable within 6 weeks till the next date of hearing. No further recovery
Recovery has already been made.
made. 6 months, 6 weeks.
And
Yes.
Plaintiff second. Plaintiff second actually.
22nd appeal. Record आने दीजिए.
हमारे इसमें 41 टाइप की एप्लीकेशन भी है.
काहे की?
पोजीशन की
क्या appeal is by whom?
प्लेंटिफ की है, लेकिन क्रॉस ऑब्जेक्शन थे रेस्पोंडेंट नंबर 1 और 2 के. वो पार्टी अलाउ करते हुए पार्टी से नो पोजीशन की डिग्री दी है मेरे अगेंस्ट. और बजावरी भी पेश कर रखी है उन्होंने. मैंने उसके नोटिस समन्स और कॉपी भी पेश की है.
तो क्या अभी एग्जीक्यूटेबल क्या है पार्ट?
पोजीशन का है. कल की ही डेट है वहाँ.
लिखिए श्री DS Patel, Lalu Counsel for the appellant, issue notice to the लिखिए record of the courts below be requisition also heard on IA 8042 of 2022, which is an application under order 41 rule 5. Issue notice to the respondents on payment of PF on the said application by both modes, returnable within 4 weeks, placed up till the next date of hearing. The status quo in respect of the position of the suitlet shall be made by the parties.
Respondent has not complied the order passed by this honorable court. Kindly see Annexure C1, page 9.
What was the order?
Kindly see Annexure C1, page 9. It is submitted that in the light of the observation passed by the apex court, the petitioner has submitted an application before the collector on 28/9/2021, Annexure P3. However, the same has not been decided and it is pending. considering the grievance of the petitioner, the present petition is disposed of with the direction to Collector Dhar to consider and decide the application of the petitioner for payment of compensation in accordance with law within a period of 3 months.
Yes.
The respondent has not complied the order passed by this honorable court, and I am supply the copy annexure C2, page 11, Lordship.
Yes.
On 23/5/22.
देखिए श्री राजीव जैन learned counsel for the applicant issue notice to the respondent on payment of fee within 7 working days by both modes returnable within 6 weeks.
Lordship, same है 72/73.
72-73.
Yes, Lordship.
Same order. 72-73. Yes. Yes.
Non-compliance of annexure C1.
What was the order?
The relevant page, madam, find on page 26,
Yes.
whereby direction was given to release the payment within the period of 2 months. Last 3 lines. The petition can be disposed with the direction to the state to make necessary payment to the petitioner within the period of 2 months.
Yes.
So thereafter, another contempt was also filed, wherein this period was extended. Page 36, madam, that is the order.
Yes.
A further 2 months time was granted, and still the compliance has not been made.
देखिए श्री संवत्सर learned counsel for the applicant issue notice to the respondent on payment of fee within 7 working days by both modes returnable within 6 weeks.
It's also declared in my petition that a review was filed by the respondent. So that is pending, so it can be linked along with that review. So the review petition
List along with
RP number
petition number
1014 of 22.
1014 of 2022.
22.
My lord, matter is relating to wrong pay fixation and recovery, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, annexure P1, my lord.
Yes.
Married, my lord?
After you have already retired.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Retired हो गए, my lord, 31 जनवरी 2022 को, my lord.
Yes.
और ये जो P1 का ऑर्डर मुझे जो सर्व करवाया, my lord, 24/11/2022 को करवाया, और ये लेटर है 17/3/2022 का, my lord. 6 लाख की रिकवरी निकाली हमारी. इनिशियली इनका अपॉइंटमेंट, my lord, SI की पोस्ट पर हुआ था और DSP की पोस्ट से रिटायर्ड हुए, my lord.
क्या रिकवरी भी कर रहे हैं?
Yes, my lord.
लिखिए डिस्पोज आप कर देते हैं, रिकवरी इसके कर देते हैं. लेट द सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस पास ए रीजन ऑर्डर. क्या इनकी त्रुटि थी कि नहीं थी? लिखिए.
my lord, करीबन 11 महीने से पेंशन भी नहीं दी है, my lord.
वो टाइम बाउंड कर देते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
लिखिए श्री समीर वर्मा learned counsel for the petitioner Sri Sriraj Saxena, Deputy Advocate General for the respondents. The petitioner has challenged the communication dated 17/3/2022, which is served on the petitioner on 24/11/2022, by which the respondent number 4 alleging wrong fixation of pay has directed for recovery of an amount of rupees 6,868 along with the interest from 2006 to 2019. Full stop. Counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner has retired from service and there is no fault of the petitioner in grant of the pay scale, and therefore the recovery could not have been made. Against the impugned order, the petitioner has already submitted a representation on 28/4/2022. Annexure
P2, ma'am.
P2.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the date of annexure P2?
my lord, 28/4/2022, ma'am.
तो आपने लिखा आपको सर्व हुआ है.
नहीं, वो P1 सर्व हुआ, ma'am. P1 17/3/2022 का मुझे सर्व हुआ, रिसीव हुआ 24/11/2022 को.
लिखिए has already submitted a representation against the order dated 17/3/2022 on 28/4/2022. Considering the aforesaid submission, I deem it appropriate to dispose of the present petition with a direction to the respondent number 4, Superintendent of Police Devas, to consider and decide the representation of the petitioner within period of 2 months from today in accordance with the law by passing a written and speaking order, full stop, till the representation of the petitioner is considered and decided by the said authority, no recovery shall be made from the petitioner in pursuant to the impugned order. With the aforesaid, the writ petition is disposed of.
I move that.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
74 was not called out.
आपने रिक्वेस्ट किया था?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी लास्ट में आएगा वो, बाद में मेंशन किया ना।
Okay, sir.
Yes,
My lord, in this case, the petitioner,
yes, Mr. Varman.
the petitioners who are agriculturists, my lord, have challenged the annexure P1, whereby the appeal filed by the petitioners have been dismissed by respondent.
Appeal against what order?
My lord, the appeal against the order passed under section 250 of the Land Revenue Code, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the facts of this case which are lead to the controversy is that admittedly the petitioners are the owner and occupier of certain agricultural land which is situated at village Sejwani, Tehsil, Deparpur, district Indore, my lord.
Yes.
The respondent number 5 has obtained an demarcation report behind back of the petitioners, and on the basis of that application, my lord, demarcation report, she submitted an application under section 250 of the Land Revenue Code, my lord.
Yes.
In that application, my lord, she has stated that in the year 2016, she has been allotted a license for a period of 10 years for mining purpose in a survey number 263/1, which is also situated in the same village, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, their application is annexure P4 at page number 51, my lord.
Civil suit is pending?
Yes, my lord. The petitioners have obtained injunction order in that way. The Tehsildar has ignored that order, the findings recorded by the learned civil court, my lord, and the report which was not believed by the civil court, my lord. On the basis of that report, my lord, the 250 order has been passed against the petitioners.
लेकिन श्री जितेंद्र वर्मा, alternate counsel for the petitioner, Sri Sriraj Saxena for the respondent, Deputy AG for the respondents, 1 to 3, counsel for the petitioner submits that by the impugned order, the application filed by the private respondents under section 250 of MP Land Revenue Code has been allowed and the position has been directed to be restored. The aforesaid order is contrary to the order of injunction passed by the civil court. First of the authority has failed to consider the aforesaid order. Considering the aforesaid submissions, issue notice to the respondents on payment of PF within 7 working days by both modes, returnable within 4 weeks till the next date of hearing. The status quo as exists today in respect of the land in question shall be maintained by the parties.
और मेरे एक हाउस था, जो गोडाउन था शॉप उस जमीन पर, वो तहसीलदार ने तोड़वा दिया और in the garb of that order, my lord, the respondent number 5 is interfering into my possessions, my lord. Where there is
Status quo कर दिया है, that's जो भी status quo है without hearing of the yes.
मैं certificate
Certificate. Yes.
So by this instant petition, the petitioner is not challenging any particular order,
Yes.
but only seeking a simple direction.
For?
Sir, for deciding a representation. So the case of the petitioner is that he is a proprietor of a biofuel unit situated in Tehsil Mandaleshwar, which has been approved under the scheme of MP government.
Yes.
Sir, it was sealed on 28 August of 21 by district supply officer on the ground that the fuel pump operator has no NOC received from the collector.
Yes.
Subsequently, an FIR has also been registered against the petitioner, and in that case, he has been enlarged on the bail. So now the petitioner has received the NOC from the collector and as well as from all other departments. Sir, he has applied before the Food and Civil Supplies Corporation, Khargone.
Seal कर दिया क्या आपने?
Yes, sir.
Unit has been sealed.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, representation इनका decide करते हैं. Sri, what's your good name?
Sir, Himanshu Jain, on behalf of Shri Ayur Jain.
Sri Himanshu Jain for the petitioner, Sri Sri Raj Saxena for the respondents. In the instant petition, the petitioner is seeking a direction to the respondent number 2 to consider and decide the representation of the petitioner for directing district supply officer to remove the seal from the biofuel unit and to allow the petitioner to operate the biofuel unit without entering into the merit of the case, considering the limited relief prayed by the petitioner, I deem it expedient to dispose of the present petition with a direction to the respondent number 2, Collector Khargone, to consider and decide the representation of the petitioner within period of 2 months from the date of communication of the order in accordance with the law by passing a regent and speaking order. With the aforesaid writ petition is disposed of. Yes.
चार्ज के खिलाफ रिवीजन
क्या है दिस रिवीजन इज अगेंस्ट
चार्ज चार्ज के खिलाफ रिवीजन
चार्ज क्या है चार्ज यस रेडी हैं आर यू रेडी टू आर्ग्यू यस
Your Lordship, but case diary is not available in this case. Your Lordship, it is required at least. Your Lordship, challan is required to.
श्री क्या नाम है आपका?
पुष्पेंद्र कुमार दीक्षित.
श्री पुष्पेंद्र कुमार दीक्षित फॉर द एप्लीकेंट MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondent state, counsel for the state, please follow is granted 1 week time to call the case diary. Yes.
नोटिस किए थे बट रिस्पॉन्डेंट नंबर 2 पे और नोटिस शामिल होने के बाद भी नो वन अपीयर
Let us see that. Notice served. Yes. Notice was issued to number 2.
माल नंबर 2 कोई डायरेक्शन थे
Joint Director.
जॉइंट डायरेक्टर
Okay. Shri
मुकेश परवार
Mukesh Parwal, learned counsel for the petitioner, none for the respondent number 2, despite service of notice. Considering the aforesaid, let a bailable warrant of rupees 50,000 be issued to the respondent number 2 to secure his presence before this court in the month of January 2023.
requested to pass over this.
In this case, Your Lordship, the additional reply is required to be filed, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Therefore, I have placed for 10 days time, Your Lordship, to file the reply.
मैंने इसमें ऑनरेबल कोर्ट में 6 को ऑर्डर पास किया था. Then again case fixed for coordinate bench.
और जो अन्य लोग हैं उनको पुरानी मतलब उसी अनुसार दे रहे हैं 50% के अमाउंट।
एडिशनल रिप्लाई देना है इनको।
हाँ
लिखिए, श्री मनीष कुमार विजय वर्गी, learned counsel for the petitioner, MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondent state, counsel for the state, pays for and is granted further 2 weeks time to file additional reply as per court order dated 6/9/2020. Yes. सबको इसी के साथ लिंक कर दीजिएगा। Yes.
Last time it was directed to serve the respondent number 3 through Hamda's notice.
112.
My lord.
Yes.
And we are trying to serve with the respondent through Hamda's notice or through counsel, but the counsel is not available of the respondent. Today we will serve with, we have called the respondent advocate, he has asked us to come today. My lord, it may kindly be kept on 14 because 15 is the date before the trial court.
तो 10 की नोटिस सर्व कर दिया है उनको।
आज कर देंगे।
आज करेंगे।
My lord.
लिखिए, श्री दिलीप सिंह पवार for the petitioner, श्री अंशुल श्रीवास्तव,
My lord.
अंशुल श्रीवास्तव for the petitioner, MS Vinita Pai for the GA for the respondent number 5. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondent number 3 shall be served through his counsel in the trial court by dusty notice today, and the matter may be taken up on 14/12/2022 at the request of counsel for the petitioner. Place the matter on 14/12/2022. Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 2.
Who appears for the appellant?
Respondent number 2.
You made the request. Who made the request? Bharat Yadav. Yes, Mr.
There are two applications, my lord, in this matter. One is for delay. As per the office report, my lord, the delay is not.
How much is the delay?
My lord, there is no delay as per the
There
office
is no
report,
delay.
my lord. We filed the application due to the precaution, my lord. I am praying for withdrawal of this.
Sri Bhaskar.
Bharat Yadav.
Sri Bharat Yadav, learned counsel for the appellant. आपका नाम?
Anushka Jain.
MS Anushka Jain for the respondent number 2. Likhye, counsel for the appellant submits that there is no delay in filing the present appeal, and therefore he does not want to press the IA 3078 of 2020 in view of the aforesaid application is dismissed as withdrawn.
My lord, the appeal by the insurance company, my lord, in this matter, my lord, may kindly consider my mention memo application along with the mention memo application.
Against motor vehicles?
Yes, my lord. I have filed the execution proceedings. The attachment warrants have been issued. My lord.
How much is the amount?
My lord, total award amount is, my lord, the claim before the tribunal was 20 lakh and the amount awarded is 7,01,599.
7 lakhs.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And the admittedly, my lord, as per
It's
the
a death case.
Yes, my lord. No, my lord, injury case it is.
Injury case?
It is the injury case. My lord, may kindly consider the statement of DW1 VS Bhatia has categorically stated before the tribunal that vehicle was playing without fitness, my lord. It is an admitted position, my lord.
Yes.
So I deposit the 50%, my lord. They may kindly be permitted to withdraw the same.
Also heard on admission and IA 3077 of 2022, which is an application for stay.
2020. Application for stays of 2020.
2020 का लीजिए. देखिए counsel for the appellant submits that the present appeal is filed under the provisions of the Motor Vehicles Act being aggrieved by an award passed by the tribunal. Full stop. It is submitted that the case is of permanent injury and the tribunal has passed an award of rupees 7,01,599 along with interest. देखिए after hearing learned counsel for the parties, on deposit of 50% of the awarded amount with interest within period of 30 days from today, the execution of the award shall remain stayed. The claimant, आप claimant के लिए हैं?
Yes, please.
Claimant shall be entitled to withdraw the aforesaid amount. Full stop. The record of the tribunal be also requisitioned.
Pleasure.
Yes. 30. Who is in 38?
Lordship, I am for the respondent. Compromise has been done between the parties.
Yes.
A total of 8 petitioners are there, out of which 6 people have compromised, 2 have not compromised with the respondent.
Okay, what is the matter?
Lordship, they were seeking payment after closure under section 25O of the IT Act. So the compromise was done and payment checks have been given to them in the court itself.
What about 2? The petition will continue.
Lordship, for respondent number 4 and respondent number 6, the petition will continue because they have refused to compromise.
For respondent?
4, petitioner number 4 and petitioner number 6, Uma Gupta and Kamla Nishlal.
बाकी सब ने compromise कर लिया.
Indeed, Lordship, they are all present in the court. He is standing here. Everybody else is sitting in the court.
Yes. You have filed some application.
Indeed, Lordship, IN number 8431 of 2022. They have filed it. They are the affidavits filed by the petitions.
Yes. आप लोगों का पैसा मिल गया सब कॉम्प्रोमाइज के तहत?
मिल गया.
लिखिए. Petitioners.
Petitioner 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 8.
Petitioners number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 8 are present in person. उनको आइडेंटिफाई कौन करेगा ये? लिखिए.
The representative of the respondent company is present. He can identify.
लिखिए identified by representative of the company MS Kirti Patwardhan for the respondents.
Leadership 3.
For respondent number 3 company along with its representative.
Mr. Hood.
Mr.
C.N. Hood, H-O-O-D.
C.N. Hood, H-O-O-D.
C.N. Hood.
H-O-O-D.
क्या डेजिग्नेशन क्या है इनका?
Authorized signatory.
Authorized signatory.
Representative.
Authorized representative of the company. लिखिए hard on IA 8431 of 2022, which is an application for deciding the matter in view of the compromise. Full stop. लिखिए. It is submitted that the matter has been compromised between the petitioner and the respondent number 3.
Indeed,
Respondent number 3, and the petitioners do not want to prosecute the present petition, full stop, in view of the aforesaid averment made in the said application, comma, the present petition is directed to be treated as withdrawn for the aforesaid petitioners. Accordingly, RA 8431 of 2022 is allowed and disposed of. The petition shall continue in respect of the petitioners number 4 and 6. Yes. What about 38.1? इसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं है ना?
इसमें कोई आगे नहीं है.
There is nothing in.
लिखिए कोई none for the petitioner MS Kirti, MS Milita Pai, GA for the state, दोनों प्रेजेंस डाल दीजिएगा. GA की for the state, MS Kirti Patwardhan for the respondent number 3. Case is adjourned. Yes.
What I have filed as IA, being IA number 7025 of 22, seeking review of order dated 7/9/22. My lord,
7025
of 22.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am paying for time to file reply in pursuant to the IA filed by the
For
petitioner.
review. You want to file reply?
Your Lordship.
लिखिए श्री विजय कुमार आशुदानी for the petitioner Sri Malvi,
Your Lordship.
Sri Vikram Malvi for the respondents heard on IA 7025 of 2022, which is an application for modification of order dated 7/9/2022. Counsel for the respondent pays for and is granted 2 weeks time to file reply to the said application. List after 2 weeks.
Date can be given because trial court is proceeding further.
हो जाएगा वेकेशन के पहले.
Your Lordship, I'll make sure that
20th we keep it on 20th. 10 days time कर दीजिए 2 weeks की जगह और list on 20th December 2022. Yes. Yes. 20.
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the applicant. The present petition is for transfer of Hindu marriage case which is filed before Learned Principal Judge of Mandleshwar to the Court of Learned Principal Judge Khandwa. So the applicant is a woman who is non-earning and is totally dependent upon the maintenance which was granted by the Learned Principal Judge in case which was filed by the applicant in 2017, and the order was passed in 2019. After that, recently in August 2020, the respondent has filed for divorce in Mandleshwar court, but as the woman is non-earning and also having a child who is specially able and is totally dependent on her to commute and is not able to go to the proceeding and attend the proceedings which are taking place in Mandleshwar. So the last hearing was on 7th.
What is the age of the child?
Sir, he is 16 years old. And
Disabled?
Yes, sir, totally disabled.
Any document have you?
Yes, sir, Annexure 4.
Annexure?
Sorry, Annexure A4.
क्या what?
Sir, he has developmental defense and he does not have both of his hands and legs are also impartially disabled. So because of this, he is.
The husband has filed a divorce petition.
Yes, sir.
On what ground?
Sir, it is yet to be disclosed. Like, we don't have the plaint as well, and we have not attended the applicant is not able to attend the proceeding there as well. So the next hearing is on 10th of January 2023. So for the time being, till when this petition is disposed of, it is prayed that the proceedings taking place in the Mandleshwar must be stayed.
You are staying at Khandwa.
Yes, sir.
And there is no possibility of
No,
compromise.
no, sir. Sir, because they both are living separately since 2012, and when this especially able child was born in 2006, he did not. She was staying at her parental house, and he did not even visited her after that even once. And in 2012, she went to his house, and even then he did not allow her and his child the entry, and denied that he will not accept them. And there are two already litigations. There were two litigations which have taken place. One was of section 125 CRPC, in which the applicant asked for the maintenance, and learned court was pleased to grant the maintenance. After that, while the proceedings of 125 was taking place, the respondent, as he was not willing to pay the maintenance, he applied for section 9, which was dismissed by the learned court of Khandwa, on these grounds only, that he is not ready to take care of her and his child.
लिखिए, क्या नाम है आपका?
Rishita Dubey.
MS Rishita Dubey, the counsel for the applicant.
Varsha Barve. Varsha Barve.
On behalf of applicant,
Yes.
heard on admission and also on IA 7991 of 2022. This is an application for transfer of matrimonial matter from the Court of Principal Judge Mandleshwar to the Court of Principal Judge Khandwa, on the ground that the applicant is a lady and she is living with a 16 years old child who is special, is challenged child suffering from disability. Full stop. It is argued that for her it is not possible to attend the court proceedings at Mandleshwar. Full stop. After hearing learned counsel for the applicant, issue notice to the respondent on payment of PF on admission as well as on IA on payment of PF within 7 working days by both modes, returnable within 4 weeks, failing which the petition shall stand dismissed without reference to the court. Full stop. As an interim measure, it is directed that till the next date of hearing, further proceedings of HM case number 46/2022 pending before Principal Judge Family Court, Mandleshwar, shall remain stayed. Yes.
Much obliged.
36.
My lord, appellant has filed
Just 36. Yes. Yes.
No, appellant has filed
You are
6
for the
IAs.
respondent.
Yes, my lord.
What do you want?
Copy not supplied.
None for the appellant. Sri
Rohan Sundecha.
Rohan
Sundecha.
For the respondent.
On behalf of H.Y. Mehta, Mr. H.Y.
On
Mehta.
behalf of Sri H.Y. Mehta, advocate.
36.
Case is adjourned for 4 weeks. In the meantime, the copy of the interlocutory applications will be supplied to the counsel for the respondent. Yes, Advocate General, Madam Pai.
In this case, Your Lordship, I'm praised for time, Your Lordship.
You don't have file.
नहीं sir, वो actually.
लिखिए MS Vinita I government advocate for the appellant, none for the respondent. At the case at the request of counsel for the appellant, case is adjourned.
मेरी रिक्वेस्ट में एक आइटम नंबर 115 है सर, आपने अर्जेंट रिक्वेस्ट के बाद बोला था कि उसको लेने के लिए सर, इसमें
कॉल हुआ होगा?
नहीं सर, 115 कॉल नहीं हुआ. In that case, your lordship, I press for time to file the reply to their IA, your lordship.
41 जी
निकाल लेने दीजिए
जी.
यस. None for the petitioner, M.H. Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondents. क्या admitted है क्या?
Yes, your lordship, it is already admitted, your lordship.
लिखिए.
On 13/5/2019.
लिखिए, the petition is already admitted. Full stop. क्या appropriate directions? Since no one is present to press IA 1520 of 2019, the application is dismissed for want of prosecution. Yes.
सर लैंड एक्विजिशन की अपील है, उसमें मैंने 41-27 की एप्लीकेशन पेश की है कि सेम अवार्ड के लिए इन्होंने उसको इन्हांस किया है. तो मेरी ये प्रेयर है कि इस अवार्ड की लाइट में जो ये मेरी अपील है तीनों कि डिस्पोज ऑफ की जाए, क्योंकि ये जो अवार्ड हुआ है सर इसके खिलाफ इन्होंने स्टेट में कोई अपील फाइनल नहीं की है, तो ये जजमेंट फाइनल हो गया है. उसी के लिए रिप्लाई के लिए लगी हुई है सर आज.
These are admitted appeals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You have filed some IA?
Yes, ma'am. I moved an application for Order 41 Rule 27 2630/22. 2630/22.
2630, yes.
उसी का रिप्लाई देना है सर.
इसको एट द टाइम ऑफ हियरिंग कर देते हैं, आप फाइल कर दीजिए. लिखिए इसमें क्या जवाब. ऑर्डर 41 रूल 27 है
जी जी सर. मेरी तो इतनी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसमें जो राशि दिलाई है वो अपील भी इसी इक्विजिशन के लिए.
I am not representing respondent number 2, your lordship. Therefore, kindly heard this matter on merit.
तो फाइनल में जनवरी में फिक्स कर दें सर.
Any date में kindly.
2015 की अपील है.
Appropriate application we will see. ये तो श्री
सपनेश
जैन for the appellant heard on IA
2630.
M.S. Vinita Pai for the GA for the respondent number.
Your lordship, I am appealing for 1.
दूसरा भी तो स्टेट ही है. महाप्रबंधक जिला व्यापार एवं उद्योग
जी, वो भी
तो स्टेट का ही है, अलग से प्राइवेट.
16/9/2022 को अर्ली रिंग अलग होके 28/11/2022 वाले वीक में
अभी तो इसको करना है, लगेगा वो. लिखिए श्री M.S. Vinita Pai for the respondent. लिखिए appeal is already admitted. The IA shall be considered at the time of final hearing of the case. वो लगेगा as per court order.
सर वो ऑर्डर था 28/11 वाले वीक में, वो चूंकि 28/11 वाला वीक निकल चुका है तो वो उठेगा ही नहीं सर. तो मेरी इतनी सी प्रेयर है कि जनवरी में इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी लास्ट वीक कर दें सर. वो अर्ली रिंग पे ही ऑर्डर हुआ था जो फाइनल के लिए फिक्स किया था.
देखिए ऑफिस इज डायरेक्टेड टू लिस्ट द मैटर फॉर फाइनल हियरिंग एज पर द प्रीवियस ऑर्डर शीट.
जी गुड नाइट.
There is an urgent hearing application. Early hearing application filed by the petitioner, your lordship. It is also already admitted, your lordship.
M.S. Vinita Pai government advocate for the respondent state, no one is present to prosecute the IA 6696 of 2022. Considering the nature of the petition, we do not, this court does not find any case for out of turn hearing. Full stop. The petition is already admitted. IA is dismissed. List for final hearing in due course. Same order. देखिए case none for the parties, case is adjourned. Call करते जाइए none case is adjourned. None cases. Yes, 44. Yes.
My lord, this is the second appeal. In this,
अभी तो legal heirs.
My lord, इसमें
Who has died?
My lord, मैं one by one applications का बता देता हूँ. इसमें बहुत सारी application pending है. First one is of my lord delay, condonation of delay की
अरे भाई
application.
तो that will be considered only after service of LRs.
Yes, my lord.
LRs के लिए 2063.
Yes, one.
First we have to take up LRs unless
Yes, my lord.
LRs are brought on record.
Yes, my lord. इसमें इस नोटिस इशू हो चुके थे.
2063.
Yes, my lord.
2063.
और इस एप्लीकेशन के नोटिसेस इशू हो गए थे.
कब हुए? 2063. कौन किसकी डेथ हुई थी? नंबर 1.
माय लॉर्ड, इसके अंदर
रामेश्वर
की डेथ हुई थी.
रामेश्वर
कैलाश की डेथ हुई थी. तो माय लॉर्ड, इसमें सर्विस रिपोर्ट जो कैलाश वाले की आई थी कि जो बसंती बाई है 2A, इनकी भी डेथ हो चुकी है.
इसमें लिखा हुआ है पार्टी सर्व 2A आंसर.
यस माय लॉर्ड. तो इनकी डेथ हो गई. बसंती बाई माय लॉर्ड.
बसंती बाई
ये एप्लीकेशन में नाम है, इसमें इनकी डेथ हो गई है. तो
इनके इलाज लाइए ना.
इनके इलाज ऑलरेडी माय लॉर्ड, ये जो राहुल है, जो B और C है, जो राहुल है रानी आदि इलाज है, इसके लिए मैंने 151 की फिर एक एप्लीकेशन फाइल की है 30/10 को. माय लॉर्ड, जो आईए नंबर है वो जस्ट अ मिनट माय लॉर्ड, ऑन 30/10 30/10 को मैंने आईए फाइल की है.
नंबर
जस्ट अ मिनट.
तो कोई लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
यस माय लॉर्ड, ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड पे.
2A का नाम डिलीट करना है.
यस माय लॉर्ड, डिलीट करने के लिए 151 की लगा.
श्री सोमेश विकोविच फॉर द अपीलेंट heard on IA 7022 of 2022, which is an application for under section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure for deleting / substituting name of the proposed legal representative, number 2A. Full stop. It is stated that during the pendency of the appeal, the respondent number 2, Kailash, died, and thereafter an application for bringing legal representative of the respondent number 2 was filed. Full stop. The notices were issued to the proposed legal representatives of the respondent number 2, Kailash. Full stop. The service report has been received that the proposed legal representative number 2A, Srimati Basanti Bai, wife of late Sri Kailash, has died on 13/5/2021. It is submitted that the legal representative of the respondent number 2A, Srimati Basanti, are already on record, and therefore no application for bringing legal representative of the respondent number 2 bracket में A is required and the name of the proposed legal representative 2A may be deleted, substituted. Considering the aforesaid comma, the IA is allowed the name of proposed legal representative 2A be deleted.
मतलब my only submission is that अभी तो रिकॉर्ड पे आए नहीं है तो इसलिए इनके नाम
Yes.
मतलब अभी टाइटल से डिलीट कैसे होगा इसलिए
दूसरों को नोटिस हो गया है,
दूसरों को हो गया सर्विस
लिखिए 10 be deleted. Considering the aforesaid submissions, IA is allowed, comma, no need. There is no need to implead respondent number 2A.
Yes.
Srimati Vasanti Bai, wife of late Sri Kamlesh, as one of the legal representatives in the memo of appeal. Full stop. दूसरों को कर दिया आपने?
अमेंडमेंट करना है
देखिए the other legal representatives of the respondent number 2 has already been directed to be brought on record.
Yes.
Full stop. The necessary amendment be carried out in the cause title within period of 7 days. This is the matter.
My lord, one more IA I have filed, my lord.
Yes.
This IA 8177 of 22. Under 81777/22.
For?
Under order 22 rule 10, my lord.
For what purpose?
My lord, to implement the subsequent purchaser as a party.
Oh, that we will consider.
My lord, भाई इसमें नोटिस इशू हो जाता है सब्सिक्वेंट परचेसर को मैंने ऑर्डर भी लगाया है साथ में
अभी करेंगे वेदर कैन भी आपको लॉ दिखाना पड़ेगा. What is the law about the subsequent purchaser?
My lord, I have filed the order by which they have mutated in their revenue records name, my lord.
इसमें दोनों साइड जजमेंट है.
My lord.
सब्सिक्वेंट परचेजर को
Less pending.
है ना, उसको बाद में जब
if my lord will permit, my lord, other applications pending है unnecessary तो उनको भी dispose of कर लेते हैं.
कौन सी है?
जैसे delay, continuation of delay की इसमें आवश्यकता नहीं है, within limitation है. तो at the time of earlier council ने फाइल की थी.
IA 27 also heard on IA
2740.
2739 public 2020 for continuation of delay.
My lord, 2740 is for delay.
इसमें तो 2739 लिखा है. कौन सी है देखिएगा, आइए देख लीजिएगा. फॉर कंडोनेशन ऑफ डिले देख लीजिए, आइए नंबर चेक कर लीजिए. Counsel for the appellant submits that there is no delay and due to an advertise the said application has been filed in view of the aforesaid no order is required to be passed on the said IA. The application is dismissed as withdrawn. Yes, urgent hearing.
Urgent hearing, 2 urgent hearings are there.
क्या वो तो आप पहले अभी एडमिट नहीं हुई ना?
अभी एडमिट नहीं.
List the matter with the appeal for hearing on admission after the necessary amendment is carried out in the cause title. Yes. None for the applicant case is adjourned. None for the parties case is adjourned.
Lordship, one small request. Item number 39, 40, 41. Keep IA pending, Lordship.
Which number?
39, 40 और 41.
क्या हुआ नहीं?
Sir, Lordship हो गए वो arguing counsel is not available.
Hearing खारिज कर दी है.
Yes, Lordship. तो keep pending IA.
हैं?
IA will be keep pending, Lordship.
Why? Admitted petition.
Lordship फिर वो मैटर लिस्ट नहीं होगा. Otherwise हम लोग मेंशन ले सकते हैं.
Petition लिस्ट होगा ना. दूसरी एप्लीकेशन लगा लीजिएगा.
Sir, counsel is not available. That's why.
अब हो गया, ऑर्डर हो गया. Yes. 40. None for the applicant case is adjourned. By same none for the applicant MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondent case is adjourned. 10 करके कॉल कर लीजिए। 54 to 60। यस, आपका क्या नंबर है? 54। यस, MCRC। अरे ये तो क्या? Yes, what do you want?
सर इसमें प्रोसिक्यूशन ने 2 विटनेसेस दिए हैं, दोनों ही हॉस्टाइल हैं और मैं पेज नंबर 21।
क्या बेल एप्लीकेशन?
हाँ बेल एप्लीकेशन है सर।
यस, फर्स्ट की रिपीट?
न फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन है सर।
फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन?
जी सर। तो इसमें पेज नंबर 21 PW2।
May I request your worship in this case? Diary is not available, file is not available with me.
लिखिए, श्री नेक्स्ट वीक कर देते हैं।
Yes.
श्री इंद्रजीत सिंह खटिया, लेटर काउंसिल फॉर द एप्लीकेंट MS Vinita Pai, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट स्टेट, एट द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ काउंसिल फॉर द स्टेट, लिस्ट इन द नेक्स्ट वीक।
Which is default as to be cured in item number 55 and 56 both.
डिफॉल्ट?
Yes, Lordship.
क्या नाम है आपका?
Harshit Sharma.
श्री हर्षद शर्मा, फॉर द एप्लीकेंट MS Vinita Pai, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट स्टेट, काउंसिल फॉर द एप्लीकेंट प्लेस फॉर एंड इज ग्रांटेड
4 weeks time.
4 weeks time to remove the defects pointed out by the registry. Same order 56 में। Yes, none. सब अटेंड कर लीजिएगा। None. MS Vinita Pai, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट स्टेट, up to 60 action. Yes. 61 to 70. Yes.
Item number 68, my lord.
68.
It is civil revision, my lord. It will be directed to be
बाकी
listed.
सब में none करके MS Vinita Pai for the state action 68.
My lord, the connected miscellaneous appeal filed by the insurance company is MA number 5688 of 2022, my lord.
Yes.
By the impugned judgment to claim case.
68.
Yes, my lord. 68.
68 में तो कोई भी connected नहीं।
No, it is not listed, my lord. I am requesting for listing, my lord. It is a civil revision filed by the at the instance of insurance company, my lord.
Yes. MA number?
MA number 5688.
5688 88 की है।
88. 2022, my lord. 5688 of 2022.
22 लिखिए। श्री
Monesh.
Jindal, for the applicant at the request of counsel for the applicant, list the matter with MA number 5688 of 2022.
My lord, I am praying for next week, my lord. Attachment warrant
तो
has been.
उसमें डेट होगी ना मिस्टर जिंदल?
Yes, my lord.
We don't know, we can't उसी डेट पे आ जाएगा।
Obliged, my lord.
Yes. (71 to 80). Yes, Mr. Gupta.
80, your lordship.
80.
80.
Yes.
So only limited prayer is that, sir. इसमें सर क्या हुआ था कि मैंने एक FIR दर्ज कराई थी फरवरी 2022 में, तो मेरी हुई थी सर, जो FIR हुई थी वो 16/6/2022 को दर्ज हुई FIR। इंसिडेंट जो बताया 15/2/14 से 16/6/2022 का बताया। सब मिस अप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ अमाउंट हुआ था ये कह के कि हम आपकी लोन करवा देंगे, हम आपका लोन कराने के बाद आपको गाड़ी दिलाएंगे, आपको इंटरेस्ट देंगे, ये देंगे। नथिंग हैज बीन डन टिल टुडे। इवन मैंने सर SP को, IG को, सबको रिपोर्ट करी। FIR दर्ज होने के बाद कोई एक्शन तक नहीं लिया जा रहा सर अभी तक।
कहाँ लिखित रिपोर्ट दिया आपने कोई?
हाँ दिए सर, ये FIR की कॉपी लगाई है मैंने पेज नंबर P1 पे सर, मैंने पेज नंबर 8, 9, 10।
कब रजिस्टर हुई FIR?
16/6/22 को सर।
अच्छा, तब से कोई एक्शन नहीं?
कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जा रहा।
यस मैडम, मिस्टर सिसोदिया।
जस्ट
We dispose of that.
हाँ ठीक।
योर कौन आजकल एसपी रहते हैं कि एडिशनल कमिश्नर रहते हैं?
सर एसपी एडिशनल कमिश्नर तीनों को मैंने दी, इवन कमिश्नर तक को मैंने राइटिंग में रिपोर्ट दी उस पर।
एसपी पोस्ट है ना यहाँ पे?
एसपी वेस्ट, हाँ एसपी पोस्ट
है।
यस सर।
देखिए श्री आशीष गुप्ता लेटर काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर, कहाँ एसपी को कहाँ लिखा आपने?
सर मैंने लिखा है सर, ये एक जस्ट सेकंड मैं से बता रहा हूँ सर, ये लिखा है कमिश्नर के पेज नंबर मेरा है 13 और पश्चिम डीसीपी 15 पेज नंबर 15 और उसके बाद सर एडिशनल कमिश्नर और ये डीसीपी को लिखा है सर,
एसपी को नहीं लिखा है।
एसपी को नहीं लिखा है, डीसीपी को
दीजिए, एसपी को लिखिए
जी।
श्री अमित सिंह सिसोदिया, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट स्टेट, द grievance of the petitioner is that after registration of FIR in the matter on 16/6/2022, no action has been taken by the respondents, full stop, on the complaint of the petitioner, an FIR, the said FIR was registered for commission of offences under section 406, 420 IPC and also the offences under section 345 of इनामी चिट फंड, इनामी चिट फंड एंड और धन परिचालन स्कीम पाबंदी अधिनियम 1978 and offense under section 61 of मध्य प्रदेश निक्षेपकों के हितों का संरक्षण अधिनियम 2000 full stop, which was registered at crime number 513/2022 at police station Chandan Nagar, district Indore, but no action has been taken after registration of the said FIR. The petitioner has made complaints to the higher police authorities. However, he has not submitted any representation to the respondent number 2, Superintendent of Police, bracket में West Zone, Indore. Considering the aforesaid, the present petition is disposed of with liberty to the petitioner to submit a representation before the respondent number 2, Superintendent of Police, West Zone, Indore, within period of कितने दिन में करेंगे? 15 days, within 1 week from today, and if such representation is submitted to the respondent number 2, the same shall be considered by the respondent number 2 in accordance with the law. With the aforesaid, the petition is
Can I submit in this matter? Because representation, because the FIR is already registered.
Investigation.
The my lord can direct my lord कि the investigation with carried out with the as per the law my lord. So, otherwise what happened and the representation decide करने को होगा तो what they pass the order and the registration of the FIR तो already
submit representation for expeditious investigation ऐसा कर दीजिए before the respondent number 2 within period of 15 days, within period of 7 days from today, and if such representation is submitted, the same shall be considered by the respondent number 2, and he shall take prompt steps in accordance with the law for expeditious investigation in accordance with the law. With the aforesaid, the writ petition is disposed of. Certified copy. वो ये भी लिख दीजिए, it is made clear that this court has not expressed any opinion on merit of the case. नहीं तो उसको ऐसा ना ले लें कि
हाँ वो की करनी
Yes. Lordship, I am praying for adjournment.
81.
Yes. Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
As the arguing counsel is out of town, Lordship. 81 or 86?
81, 86.
Yes, Lordship.
Sri Yogesh
Paraj.
Parasar for the petitioner, Sri M.S. Vinita Paye, Government advocate for the respondent state at the request of counsel for the petitioner list कब चाहिए?
After a week, Lordship.
After a week. Same order
86.
86 में भी ये तो विजयवर्गीय जी का है, नहीं पटनेरी का भी है. Yes. Same order 86. Yes.
My Lordship, I am appearing in item number 82.
82. Yes.
My Lordship, it is regarding the recognition issue of the petitioner school. And the similar case has previously been instituted in the honorable courts. And
You are seeking recognition
yes, my Lordship.
for the classes
For 10th and 12th, my Lordship.
for 10th and 12th.
That means for higher secondary and high school. Both.
High school and higher secondary. Yes. So it is pending before whom?
My Lordship, it is before the Lok Sanchanalaya. And the petitioner school has already...
Appeal lies to the committee also.
My Lordship, they have...
Committee.
Recognition committee.
So,
And
but
also it's already decided, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
So, my Lordship, इसमें second appeal, they have already filed the second appeal before the Lok Sanchanalaya, and but still the recognition was not granted.
Now, whether in the second appeal, where is the document to show that you have filed second appeal?
My Lordship, it is on the page number 23. That is annexure P4.
Yes.
And also the documents have been provided through this appeal, my Lordship.
लिखिए क्या नाम है आपका?
हिमानी अहेर शिंगे.
MS हिमानी अहेर शिंगे.
And my Lordship, the senior, that is नीरज कुमार सोनी.
आपके पक्ष में कर रहे हैं तब सीनियर का आपका वकालतनामा है ना? वो तो जहाँ वकालतनामा नहीं है वहाँ कर देते हैं. अरे सिंगे for the petitioner MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondents on advance notice. लिखिए. The petitioner school क्या सोसाइटी है क्या? नहीं. Petitioner school is running. Yeah, petitioner school has applied for recognition.
My Lordship, it is running since 1983.
Yes. Applied for recognition of the school for higher secondary classes. It is submitted that
It is renewal. He is running on
Renewal of the
for the
recognition.
recognition. आपने तो renewal recognition ही लिखा renewal.
But my
उसमें क्या
Lordship,
लिखा?
we are
Just a
seeking for the renewal of the recognition, my Lordship.
लिख दीजिए renewal of the recognition. Full stop. The दस हर जगह पिटीशन में तो आपने
16 से 119
recognition लिखा, किराया नामा संलग्न नहीं है.
PUD.
शिक्षित.
My Lordship, that is the typographical error, but we are having the recognition since 1985.
नहीं हायर सेकेंडरी के लिए भी है, फर्स्ट टाइम तो नहीं है. क्या लिखा है इसमें? भूमि भवन के पंजीकृत दस्तावेज किरायानामा संलग्न नहीं है. वाणिज्यिक संकाय हेतु विषयवार प्रशिक्षित शिक्षक नहीं होने से मान्यता रिन्यू. ठीक थी. पिटीशन में गलत लिखा है. हैज अप्लाइड फॉर रिन्यूअल ऑफ द रिकॉग्निशन because the said application was rejected on the ground of not attaching copy of the registered tenancy deed of the land building and also non-availability of trained teacher in commercial faculty. Full stop. The petitioner being aggrieved by the aforesaid rejection filed a second appeal on 14/7/2022. The grievance of the petitioner is that the aforesaid second appeal has not been decided till this date by the competent authority. After hearing learned counsel with the petitioner, I deem it expedient to dispose of the petition with a direction to the competent authority of the respondents to decide the pending second appeal in accordance with the law within period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of the order in accordance with the law by passing a recent and speaking order if not already decided. With the aforesaid, the writ petition is disposed of. Yes.
अब like
82. Yes. Yes.
87 sir. Serial number 87.
87. 87.
Yes. Second appeal is
Yes, second appeal.
Record आना है. Record आना है.
रिकॉर्ड आ गया है. रिकॉर्ड आ गया है.
सर मुझे इसमें समय चाहिए. समय चाहिए सर. पार्टली हमें जो मनी पार्ट जो है वो कंप्लाइंस कर देते हैं इसको. हाँ.
करिए फिर बताइएगा है ना.
और सर पेशेंट पार्ट तक सर मेरा निवेदन था कि नेक्स्ट
कब एडमिशन पे कब बहस करेंगे.
सर नेक्स्ट डे कर लेंगे. ये तो तैयार है सर.
नहीं, आप तो रिस्पोंडेंट है ना.
रिस्पोंडेंट है सर.
आपके तैयार हो उसको ना तो उनको बहस करनी है एडमिशन पे.
जी सर. सर नेक्स्ट डे पे कर लेंगे.
ठीक है. श्री क्या नाम है आपका.
लोकेन गंगारकर.
श्री लोकेंद्र 87 कर दीजिए गंगारकर. फॉर द अपीलेंट श्री पवन कुमार वर्मा फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट at the request of counsel for the appellant case is actual for hearing on admission. Yes.
सर पोजीशन पार्ट तक नेक्स्ट डेट तक इसको.
अरे ऐसे सेकंड अपील में नहीं होता.
सर सेकंड पार्ट सर पोजीशन में सर जो मनी पार्ट है सर वो कंप्लाइंस कर देते हैं.
जब तक अपील एडमिट नहीं होती तब तक इससे नहीं.
सर नेक्स्ट डेट तक के लिए.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. सेकंड अपील बहस करिए.
सर फिर बहस कर लेते हैं. बहस सुना देता हूँ
एडमिशन पे.
यस सर.
हाँ एडमिशन पे बहस करिए. यस. आप कौन है. प्लेंटिफ हैं कि डिफेंडेंट.
डिफेंडेंट है सर.
डिफेंडेंट.
यस सर.
सूट फॉर.
सर सूट फॉर डिक्लेरेशन इंजेक्शन के लिए सर. ये
सूट फॉर डिक्लेरेशन एंड इंजंक्शन
पोजीशन के लिए.
सूट फॉर डिक्लेरेशन
इंजेक्शन एंड पोजीशन के लिए.
डिक्लेरेशन इंजेक्शन एंड पोजीशन. यस. डिक्री हो गया.
डिक्री हो गया सर. ये सर
डिक्री. फिर क्या हुआ फर्स्ट अपील में.
फर्स्ट अपील में सर इन्होंने फैक्ट सर केस के ये है कि वादी ने जो अधिकारी जो
दोनों कोर्ट से आप सारे हैं.
जी सर दोनों कोर्ट से.
फिर
सर इस केस में हमने जो ग्राउंड बताया था कोर्ट को कि ये जो क्षेत्र है गंदी बस्ती क्षेत्र में आता है. कोर्ट ने उस पॉइंट को डिसाइड नहीं किया. क्योंकि सबसे पहले बात की जाए तो सर इसमें इस मामले में ये जो प्रॉपर्टी पट्टा जो बता रहे हैं इकरारनामे के आधार पर पट्टा आईडीए द्वारा इनको आवंटित किया गया था. और ये जो पट्टा आवंटित किया गया था ये पट्टा रेस्पोंडेंट की मदर रेस्पोंडेंट की मदर और अपीलेंट की नानी है सर. चूँकि बचपन से नानी के साथ में अपीलेंट की मदर की डेथ हो गई थी. फादर और मदर दोनों की डेथ हो गई थी. नानी के पास रहे हैं और डेथ होने के आधार पर नानी ने अपने पास रखा और बचपन से इनको पाला पोसा है. रेस्पोंडेंट के द्वारा सर इनको 94 में एग्जिबिट P4
आईडीए ने किसको अलॉट किया था ये प्लॉट.
सर आईडीए ने प्लॉट अलॉट किया था सर इनको. रेस्पोंडेंट को अलॉट किया था सर. ये
रिस्पोंडेंट को अलॉट किया.
जी जी जी. इस अलॉटमेंट में सर आधार ये था कि जो पहले से वहाँ पर रह रहा था उस आधार पर रह रहा था. चूँकि हमारी जो नानी थी उस जगह पर पहले से निवास करती थी और उस आधार पर सर प्लॉट जो आवंटित होना था नानी के नाम से होना था. और इसी आधार पर नानी के नाम से अलॉट होना था लेकिन रेस्पोंडेंट के नाम से अलॉट हुआ. तो इन्होंने 94 में एग्जिबिट P4 का जो आवेदन दिया था सर कि इन्होंने 100 स्क्वायर फीट की जो ज़मीन है वो हमारे दोनों भांजे के नाम से कर दी जाए और बाकी का जो बाकी का शेष एरिया जो है वो रेस्पोंडेंट के नाम से अलॉट कर दिया है. सर इनका खुद का आवेदन है ये.
तो आपका क्या राइट है?
सर हमारा राइट सर ये है कि
प्लॉट तो इनको अलॉट किया है ना आइडियल।
प्लॉट सर इनको अलॉट किए जरूर किया है, लेकिन जो नानी जो पहले से जो झोपड़े बनाकर रह रही थी उसके आधार पर जो है, क्योंकि आइडिया ने जो स्कीम निकाली थी वो स्कीम इसी आधार पर निकाली थी कि जो पहले से जहाँ पर रह रहा है।
तो आपने सूट फाइल किया कि चैलेंज किया इनका अलॉटमेंट?
सर उस समय हम छोटे थे, 86 की बात है सर ये।
अरे तो जब बड़े हो गए तब
तो सर उसके बाद जब मामा ने सर हमें खुद को रहने के लिए जो कमरा आवेदन खुद एग्जिबिट का आवेदन इन्होंने खुद दिया, एग्जिबिट P4 का, और उसी आधार पर हमको रहने का अधिकार भी दिया इन्होंने। एग्जिबिट P4 का आवेदन इन्होंने खुद ने दिया है। उस आवेदन में इन्होंने खुद आवेदन दिया और इसमें खुद ने इन्होंने बोला है कि 100 स्क्वायर फीट इनको दे दिया जाए, बाकी का अलॉट मेरे नाम से कर दिया है। तो उसी आधार पर हम रह भी रहे थे सर, और उसको रहते रहते सर हमको कम से कम 25 से 30 साल हो गए, ऐसी कोई स्थिति नहीं रही और शांतिपूर्वक कब्जा रहा। 145 का आवेदन सर SDM के यहाँ पर 145।
ये सूट इनका है।
यस सर।
ही इज क्लेमिंग टाइटल
जी
ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द प्लॉट अलॉटेड बाय IDA।
यस।
आपका राइट क्या है अपोज करने का? अब ये नानी ने कहा, उन्होंने कहा, ये सब आपके लिए कौन? ये तो प्लॉट किसका प्लॉट है?
प्लॉट
आइडिया का है ना?
आइडिया का प्लॉट है सर।
आइडिया ने इनको अलॉट कर रखा, आपने उसको चुनौती दिया क्या?
सर मेरा एक निवेदन ये है कि इस मामले में हमको लिबर्टी के साथ इस मामले को आइडिया के अगेंस्ट में और रेस्पोंडेंट के अगेंस्ट में हमें
ये कोई
सिविल सूट फाइल किया
है? ये सेकंड अपील है, इसमें हमको
इसमें सर डिस्पोजेशन हो जाएंगे सर, तो हमारा राइट पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा, क्योंकि सर हमारा
आपने तो ये सूट फाइल नहीं किया है।
क्योंकि सर इस मामले में ये जो गंदी बस्ती क्षेत्र का मामला है, गंदी बस्ती क्षेत्र में सर सेक्शन जो 20 है मध्य प्रदेश गंदी बस्ती क्षेत्र सुधार निर्मूलन अधिनियम 1976 की धारा 20 के तहत इन्होंने जो दावा लगाना था इसमें आइडिया का परमिशन लेना था, और परमिशन भी नहीं ली इन्होंने, और उसके बाद में हमारे खिलाफ इन्होंने दावा जो लगाया वो परमिशन के बिना लगाया। हमने आवेदन लगाया इसमें सर उस गंदी बस्ती क्षेत्र के इशू फ्रेम करने के लिए, लेकिन न्यायालय ने उसको रिजेक्ट कर दिया, उस इशू को डिसाइड ही नहीं किया।
ये आपने कहाँ पर एवरमेंट किया?
ये सर हमने
WS में किया है?
अपीलेट कोर्ट में। WS में नहीं किया था सर,
तो फिर
क्योंकि सर उसके संबंध में डॉक्यूमेंट बाद में जब गजट नोटिफिकेशन वगैरह सब बाद में जब मिला था तो उसके संबंध में हमने बाद में डॉक्यूमेंट पेश किया था।
WS में भी नहीं किया आपने? कुछ नहीं है आपकी अपील में
सर?
आप प्लेंटिफ नहीं है ना, आप डिफेंडेंट हैं।
डिफेंडेंट है सर।
उनका राइट तो सीधा बनता है, अलॉट हुआ, राइट और रॉन्ग। सर आपने तो कोई चुनौती दिया नहीं उसको।
सर चुनौती देने का सर ऐसा डिस्प्यूट कभी रहा ही नहीं सर हमारे पीछे, और अचानक से इन्होंने ये सिविल सूट फाइल किया हमारे खिलाफ। तो सर मेरा निवेदन सिर्फ इतना है कि या तो फिर हमको आइडिया और रेस्पोंडेंट के अगेंस्ट में हमारे सिविल सूट फाइल करने की लिबर्टी के साथ
करिए ना, कानून में अगर,
क्योंकि सर इस मामले में डिग्री दोनों कोर्ट से हो चुकी है सर, डिग्री दोनों कोर्ट से हो चुकी है सर।
हाँ दोनों कोर्ट से आप हारे हुए हैं,
तो सर डिस्प्लेस हो जाएंगे सर, उसका कोई चित्र रह नहीं जाएगा फिर।
यस लिखिए। श्री
लोकेंद्र
गंगारेकर फॉर अपीलेंट श्री Pawan Kumar Verma for the respondent. The present second appeal is filed under section 100 of the Code of Civil Procedure, being aggrieved by the order, by the judgment and decree passed by 22nd District Judge Indore in RCA number 37/2020, whereby the appeal filed by the appellant has been dismissed and the judgment and decree passed by the trial court has been affirmed. The respondent plaintiff filed a suit for declaration of title, permanent injunction and possession. It is not in dispute that the land in question belongs to Indore Development Authority, which is house number W33, constructed number 562 मरी माता का बगीचा जूनी इंदौर. Full stop. The said plot was allotted to the petitioner, to the respondent plaintiff under scheme number 30 of the scheme number 33 on 15/3/1986. An agreement was also executed between the IDA and plaintiff. Full stop. The lease rent, full stop. लिखिए. The full stop. The case of the plaintiff was that without any authority of law, the defendant was residing in the said house, and despite number of oral requests, the said house in question was not vacated by him, and the possession was not handed over. Full stop. He has served as solar show cause notice on 6/5/2016, and after expiration of the said notice period, he filed a suit for declaration of title, injunction and possession. Full stop. The case of the defendant is that the आपका केस क्या था? आपका तो कुछ केस ही नहीं दिखता.
केस सर नानी वाला जो पार्ट है सर, नानी ने जो हमको दिया था, क्योंकि नानी ने इसमें हमने को रहने के लिए नानी ने खुद ने हमको अलॉट करके दिया था मकान.
The plot in question was granted by maternal grand,
मतलब कोई 30-35 साल से सर हम बिना डिस्प्यूट के रह रहे सर.
maternal grandmother bracket में नानी to reside. Full stop. देखिए, the trial court has framed 3 issues in the matter, which are as under page 8. देखिए, after appreciating the evidence and appreciating the facts and evidence of the case, the trial court found the issues proved in favor of the plaintiff. Full stop. The defendant had also taken a ground that the eviction sought by the plaintiff is contrary to the provisions of section 20 of Madhya Pradesh गंदी बस्ती क्षेत्र सुधार तथा निर्मूलन अधिनियम 1976. However, the said objection was not taken in the written statement. Full stop. The aforesaid judgment and decree was challenged by the appellant before the appellate court in an appeal under section 96 of the CPC. The said appeal was also dismissed, and the judgment and decree passed by the trial court were affirmed. Full stop. लिखिए. Both the courts have recorded concurrent findings in respect of the issues. ये यहाँ से ले लीजिए डायरी से, ये ऑर्डर इसमें मिल जाएगा. सेकेंड अपील 233/18 नहीं हो तो ये हमारी डायरी से जो सारे जजमेंट्स हैं कॉन्करेंट फाइंडिंग्स है ना, यहाँ तक ये ले लीजिए. डिसमिस्ड. 83 to 90 कोई नहीं, सब एडजर्न करते जाइए. 83 to 90 none for the petitioner. MS Vinita Pai for the government advocate for the respondent state. Case is adjourned. किसमें 116 से 119 इनको डिस्पोज आप कर देते हैं. 116 से लिखिए. लिखिए. None for the applicant. The matter is taken up on PUD sent by the trial court seeking extension of time to conclude the pending trial. Full stop. Considering the grounds mentioned in the PUD, the prayer is allowed. Trial court is granted 90 days, 3 months time to conclude the trial in compliance to the previous order. Accordingly, PUD is disposed of. उसमें भी देख लीजिए, ऐसे ही होगा, इसीलिए ऐसा जनरल. दो माह मांगा है, 90 डेज इसीलिए दे रहा है. सेम. इनमें विनीता पाए गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट की प्रेजेंस डालनी है. थ्री मंथ्स मांगा है. फर्दर 3 months टाइम है, ऐसा लिख दीजिए. फर्दर 3 months टाइम इज ग्रांटेड टू कंक्लूड द ट्रायल इन कंप्लायंस टू द प्रीवियस ऑर्डर. यस. 119 ये भी PUD पे. इसमें भी further 3 months time to conclude. Yes. 91 to yes.
91.
91.
Sir, I am paying for 1 week time to file certain documents.
लिखिए. Sri, what's your good name?
Subir Shah.
Sri Subir
Shah.
Shah for the applicant. MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondent state. Counsel for the applicant. Praise for and is granted 1 week time to file documents list after 1 week. Yes.
92.
92? Yes, what do you want?
Application section 482. 482 की application है डॉक्टर.
For question?
No, Lord. ये बेल ऑर्डर हुए थे. प्रेजेंट एप्लीकेंट के बेल अलाउ करी थी. उसमें कंडीशन इम्पोज करी थी लॉर्डशिप कि 10 से 12 हर 15 तारीख को 10 से 12 के बीच में.
Where is that order?
Lordship, at page number 5 पे इसमें वो कंडीशन में रिलैक्सेशन के लिए मैंने एप्लीकेशन फाइल करी है. प्रेजेंट एप्लीकेंट इज ए लेडी, विडो लेडी है Lordship, 35 years old. That certificate is page number 7. इसमें कोई किसके
के ट्रायल की क्या पोजीशन क्या
Lordship,
किस
चार्ज
ground पे?
शीट फाइल हो गई है और चार्ज भी लग गया है Lordship. मैटर डिसाइडेड फॉर एविडेंस के लिए चल रहा है Lordship. और इसमें Lordship आप देखिए पेज नंबर
रिपोर्ट मंगा लीजिए क्या है इनका कंडक्ट कैसा
Yes.
रहा क्या है ना?
पेज नंबर 8 पे एक को-एक्यूज की ओर लगी थी वही कंडीशन इम्पोज रिलैक्सेशन के लिए उसमें अलाउ कर दिया Lordship. पेज नंबर 8 को-एक्यूज की लगी थी उसमें अलाउ कर कंडीशन को रिलैक्सेशन दिया.
कर दें वो ट्रायल अटेंड करते रहिएगा.
यस Lordship.
सर वो जो को-एक्यूज्ड की थी क्योंकि वो प्रेग्नेंट थी देयरफॉर द कोर्ट हैज कंसीडर्ड हर केस योर
अंजलि वाज प्रेग्नेंट.
Yes, Your Lordship. It was mentioned in page number 10, Your Lordship.
She is also widow lady Lordship. और लोकल श्योरिटी के आपने ऑर्डर करे थे वो हमने फुल करे हैं. और
Especially
रेगुलर
mentioned, Your
ट्रायल
Lordship,
कोर्ट
in
में
the
अपने
order that she is a pregnant lady and it is very difficult for her to mark her presence at the concerned police station on every 15 days of the month between 10 am to 12 pm till the pendency of the trial. And therefore this condition was
इसमें आप देखें हमारा कंटेंट भी देखेंगे तो 27 के मेमो के आधार पे आरोपी बनाया नाम से सीजर है ना.
all these grounds are already considered and bail was
ये
granted.
जरूर किसी की कंडीशन रही होगी तब ये कंडीशन इम्पोज हुई है. को एक्यूज के बेल में रही होगी ना. इसलिए ये आपके में भी कंडीशन आ गई
तो एक और कोई भी इसकी लगी थी उसमें कंडीशन थी
है ना. इसीलिए इसमें भी आ गई
और इसीलिए लोअर कोर्ट ने भी ऑर्डर करा था उसमें भी कंडीशन इम्पोज करी थी इसलिए कोई इसके ऑर्डर में रिलैक्सेशन दिया.
एक रिपोर्ट बुला लीजिए नेक्स्ट वीक करते थे. कंडक्ट अगर ठीक है तो ये 10 से 12 कर देते हैं. अगर अभी तक रेगुलरली अटेंड किया है
रेगुलर
ठीक है. श्री
अनिल
मालवीय फॉर द एप्लीकेंट MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondent state, counsel for the state. This is an application for modification of the condition in the bail order. Counsel for the state prays for and is granted time to seek instructions list in the next week. Yes. Yes.
100 में instructions is awaited Lordship.
100.
Yes.
Yes. लिखिए श्री योगेश पाराशर for the petitioner MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondent state. क्या रिप्लाई नहीं आया क्या?
इसमें रिप्लाई तो फाइल हो गया है मुजफ्फर मुंशी ना.
क्या एडिशनल रिप्लाई देना है क्या आपको? एक आईए लगी है फॉर क्लोजिंग द रिस्पोंडेंट राइट टू फाइल एडिशनल रिप्लाई. क्या कोई ऑर्डर शीट होगी एडिशनल रिप्लाई की? क्या है बताइए मिस्टर पारस साहब.
Lordship, right now I have no any instructions.
लिखिए ठीक है 4 वीक्स बढ़ाते हैं तब तक एग्जामिन कर लीजिए.
Kindly kept in the next week Lordship.
अरे 2021 का मैटर है क्या जल्दी है. श्री योगेश पाराशर फॉर द पिटिशनर MS Vinita Pai, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट स्टेट. लिखिए काउंसिल फॉर द स्टेट इज ग्रांटेड 4 weeks टाइम टू फाइल reply additional reply if not already filed based after 4 weeks. देख लीजिए क्या फाइल करना है.
रिप्लाई तो हमारा ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड पर है.
इसमें एक एप्लीकेशन लगी है टू क्लोज द राइट टू फाइल एडिशनल रिप्लाई. तो मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि टाइम लिया होगा एडिशनल रिप्लाई. इसलिए दोनों लिखा दिया फाइल एडिशनल. यस.
101 reply is awaited lordship. 101 सीरियल नंबर में रिप्लाई अवेटेड है.
लिख दीजिए. 101 में श्री योगेश पाराशर फॉर द पिटिशनर.
लॉर्डशिप इसमें लास्ट इंटेलिजेंस था और विद कॉस्ट ऑफ 1000 रुपीज.
अरे बताइए ऑर्डर शीट बताइए.
इसमें रेस्पॉन्ड नंबर 3 का रिप्लाई फाइल किया हुआ है. हु इज द मेन कंटेस्टिंग पार्टी योर लॉर्डशिप.
ये कह रहे हैं कि कॉस्ट लगी हुई है. कौन सा ऑर्डर है? विच इज ऑर्डर?
लॉर्डशिप ये 24/11/2022. 24/11/2022.
24/11/2022. यस. क्या कॉस्ट भी नहीं डिपॉजिट किया?
यस.
लिखिए श्री योगेश पाराशर लर्नड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर MS Vinita Pai, government advocate for the respondents, counsel for the petitioner submits that neither replies filed nor cost of rupees 2000 is paid by the respondents. Considering the aforesaid, it is directed that officer in charge of the case shall remain present in person on the next date. The cost of rupees 10,000 is imposed. The case is adjourned subject to payment of additional cost of rupees 10,000. Full stop. The amount of the cost shall be recovered from the OIC of the case list in the second week of January.
इसमें फिक्स डेट दे दें ताकि
Yes.
वो पर्सनल प्रेजेंस.
Yes, yes. List on 12th January 2023.
102 kindly matter will keep next week lordship. As the arguing counsel is not available. 102 lordship.
कोई जल्दी नहीं है. एडमिशन पे बहस होना है.
Lordship, one is small request. Serial number 81 and 86 kindly kept in the next week lordship. वो after a week हो गए तो मैटर लिस्ट नहीं होगा. Kindly kept in the next week.
अरे ओल्ड मैटर होंगे भाई इसलिए.
No lordship, वो उसमें स्टे इंटरिम रिलीफ है लॉर्डशिप 81.
क्या कब का है 81?
सर लॉर्डशिप फ्रेश मैटर है.
सर 22 का ही है.
फ्रेश मैटर है फर्स्ट. 81
ऑर्डर क्या किया?
81 लॉर्डशिप सीरियल नंबर 81.
क्या ऑर्डर? आफ्टर 1 वीक.
सर लॉर्डशिप काइंडली नेक्स्ट वीक कर दीजिए सर.
क्या उसमें अर्जेंसी क्या बताइए?
I don't have any file.
Don't appear like this, Mr. Parasar. Court को don't take it granted. You are neither prepared. You don't know the case of the facts of the case. You want that the court should pass an order according to.
I'm sorry, lordship.
You don't know what is the urgency. It's we have fixed it after 1 week. So either come, at least you should know what is your case.
I'm sorry, lordship.
Yes, 102 को क्या करना है?
Next week कर देना.
अरे 2021 का मैटर है भाई. एडमिशन पे है, उसको रहने दीजिए. है ना? लिखिए श्री योगेश पारसर फॉर द पिटिशनर MS Vinita Pai, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट फॉर द रिस्पोंडेंट स्टेट. Case is adjourned for 4 weeks. Yes.
Serial number 89.
What do you want?
I'm trying for short time adjournment. I'm trying for 2 weeks time.
89 नहीं हुआ क्या अभी? हो गया 89 हो गया. सब एडजर्न हो गया. आगे बताइए.
मतलब 103 मैटर कनेक्टेड कंटेम्प्ट 2116/2021. So list on 18 January 2023.
23 को लिस्ट है
जी.
क्या नाम है आपका?
अतुल खरे.
श्री अतुल खरे For the applicant,
Yes, ma'am.
for the applicant, at the request of counsel, for the applicant list the present matter along with contempt case number
2116 oblique 2020 2116
इतना contempt file होती है
Sir, 2116.
होती है
2116
2116 of 2000
oblique 2021
20
21
21
जी
21 yes obliged हो गया